Here, catalytic dehydrogenation, primary alcohols when react with the copper at 300 degrees Celsius, otherwise silver at 300 degrees Celsius. Then that gives you aldehydes. And if you take 2 degree alcohols, 2 degree alcohols, 2 degree alcohols with the same copper or silver at 300 degrees Celsius gives you ketones. Ketones. Okay, ketones are the products. But the case of tertiary alcohols, if you take, so for example, here if you take tertiary alcohol, for example, if you take tertiary 3 degree alcohol, 3 degree alcohol, then reaction with the copper at 300 degrees Celsius. Okay, dehydrogenation takes place. Sorry, dehydration takes place. Note this point. Here the product is not aldehyde or ketone. Here the product is alkene. The product is alkene. The product is alkene. The product is alkene. Here H2, but here is removal of water. Dehydration. This is dehydration takes place. Dehydration. In first two cases dehydrogenation H2 తీసేసాం, కానీ థర్డ్ కేసులో మాత్రం ఆల్కీన్స్ ప్రొడక్ట్స్ వస్తాయి. ఎప్పుడు 3 డిగ్రీ ఆల్కహాల్స్ తీసుకుంటే ఆల్కీన్స్ ఆర్ ద ప్రొడక్ట్స్ బట్ నాట్ aldehydes are ketones. So some examples. So if you take ethanol, this is the ethanol or ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol when react with the copper at 300 degrees Celsius, okay, and they give so acetaldehyde, okay, and also you can take isopropyl alcohol. Mind it, isopropyl alcohol is a secondary alcohol, isopropanol also called. This is upon reaction with even copper air part chesina kuda, copper at air, okay na, copper air and heating, so the product is acetone. Okay, acetone is the product. So these are the methods for the preparation. Okay, these are the methods for the preparation of alcohols, aldehydes and ketones, preparation of aldehydes. So if we take tertiary butyl alcohol తీసుకుంటే tertiary butyl alcohol, a reaction with the copper at 300 degrees Celsius, then here the product is butane. The product is butane, isobutane antam danni, isobutane plus water, Now this okay, tertiary 3 degree alcohol, this is 3 degree alcohol gives alkene but not aldehydes, ketones, right? Now the next method is from nitriles. Nitriles అంటే సైనైడ్స్ అని చెప్తారు, alkyl cyanides. Okay, nitriles are nothing but cyanides. Okay, so these cyanides when react with those stannous chloride in the presence of hydrochloric acid, okay na, the reaction name is Stephen's reaction. Important, this is Stephen's reaction. Stephen's reaction. Important, this is Stephen's reaction. So alkyl cyanides when react with stannous chloride, SnCl2 అంటే stannous chloride in the presence of HCl. Stannous chloride with HCl. Stannous chloride with HCl. They forms first imines. Okay na? Imine. Okay na? Imine chlorides. Imine chlorides are the form. NaHCl. Stannous imine chloride antaru. This is also called imine chloride. This is called as imine chloride. This is upon hydrolysis, addition of water. Here cleavage takes place. This side oxygen. Okay now this side H2 will be removed. Okay now this side oxygen, this side H2 will be moved, and it gives as aldehydes. Aldehyde plus NH4Cl, ammonium chloride. Ammonium chloride. This is aldehydes. So the Stephen reaction is the preparation of aldehydes. This is from cyanides. Cyanides. Okay na, otherwise this is also called nitriles అని కూడా అంటారు. Nitriles are cyanides. Nitriles are cyanides. ఏం జరుగుతుంది, ఫస్ట్ cyanides when react with stannous chloride, SnCl2, stannous chloride with HCl, they gives imine chloride. Then further hydrolysis, reaction with water, it gives aldehyde and also ammonium chloride. Aldehyde and ammonium chloride. This is called Stephen's reaction. Stephen's reaction. Okay, I will give an example for this. So this is ethane nitrile. This name is ethane nitrile. Ethane nitrile. దీన్ని మిథైల్ సైనైడ్ అని కూడా అంటారు. కామన్ నేమ్ మిథైల్ సైనైడ్. కామన్ నేమ్ మిథైల్ సైనైడ్. This is reaction with SnHCl. Reaction with stannous chloride. Stannous chloride HCl. Stannous chloride HCl, and we'll get to imine chloride. Then this is upon hydrolysis gives acetaldehyde plus ammonium chloride. This is acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde plus ammonium chloride is the product. Acetaldehyde and ammonium chloride. Ammonium chloride. Right? So this is the one method. Okay. So, for example, this is called cyanobenzene. Okay na, cyanobenzene or phenyl cyanide. Okay na, cyanobenzene or phenyl cyanide anochu. Okay na, cyanobenzene. Cyanobenzene or phenyl cyanide or phenyl cyanide. This is upon treatment with the stannous chloride HCl followed by hydrolysis with water. The product is benzaldehyde. Product is benzaldehyde. Product is benzaldehyde, right? So next the reaction from esters. The next method is the fourth method is from esters. From esters. Okay, sorry. From cyanides only one more reagent is there, na? That is the dibal H. Okay na. So next very important. Very important this is. Okay na. The reagent is the dibal H. Okay. Alkyl cyanides. Alkyl cyanides react with dibal H. Diisobutyl aluminum hydride antaru. So followed by water. Okay na. Also the products are aldehydes. The products are aldehydes. Okay. So మరి ఇక్కడ dibal H అంటే ఏంటంటే, okay na, this is cyanides gives aldehydes. Dibal H. Dibal H అంటే diisobutyl aluminium hydride, okay. Dibal H, diisobutyl aluminium hydride antaru. This is the reducing agent, this is the reductant. Sorry, this is a oxidant only, addition of oxygen. So dibal H here, see diisobutyl aluminium hydride, isobutyl group, this is called isobutyl group. This is isobutyl. So diisobutyl aluminium ఇలాంటి రెండు గ్రూప్స్ ఉంటాయి. diisobutyl aluminium hydride, అని చెప్తారు. సో if you use dibal H, diisobutyl aluminium, sorry, this is the reducing agent only, dibal H hydride ayan transfer చేస్తుంది, reducing agent, okay, reductant. So dibal H, diisobutyl aluminium hydride, reducing agent, when react with cyanides directly gives aldehydes. Cyanides gives aldehydes and also esters kuda, okay na, from esters also. Dibal H to esters mean you can take R C double bond O R dash. This is the ester. Esters also with dibal H, diisobutyl aluminium hydride followed by water, that directly gives aldehydes and R dash OH alcohol. This one going to alcohol. This is aldehyde is the product. Okay, now don't take this. So this is the product. Aldehydes are the products. Aldehydes are the products. Aldehydes. Okay. So esters is there, and also from acids, from carboxylic acids. Same carboxylic acids also. Okay, carboxylic acid also when react with dibal H with water, they give so aldehydes. Aldehydes are the products.